Does ChatGPT help fix logical coding errors? Have you ever faced a situation where your code runs perfectly but still does not give you the expected results? If so, you might be dealing with logical coding errors. Today, we will look at how ChatGPT can assist in fixing these tricky issues. Logical errors occur when the code executes without any syntax problems but leads to incorrect outcomes. Unlike syntax errors, which stop your code from running, logical errors requiring a bit more detective work to identify. This is where ChatGPT can be a helpful ally. ChatGPT can analyze your code snippets and interpret error messages. It can clarify those confusing messages that pop up when logic issues arise, helping you understand what went wrong. This is a great way to pinpoint the root cause of your problem. When you paste your code into ChatGPT, it can suggest corrections for logical mistakes. It reviews your code and identifies where the flow or calculations might be off. This can save you a lot of time and frustration. Moreover, ChatGPT can explain programming concepts and logic structures. This is particularly useful for those who are still learning. By understanding why a certain approach fails, you can learn how to fix it effectively. Another great feature is ChatGPT's ability to support multiple programming languages. Whether you are working in Python, JavaScript, or another language, ChatGPT can help you debug across different coding environments. ChatGPT uses techniques similar to static analysis. This means it can examine your code without actually running it to find inconsistencies or variable misuse. Additionally, it can simulate how your code behaves in conversation, allowing you to think through the logic step by step. However, it is essential to remember that ChatGPT's suggestions come from patterns it has learned from vast amounts of data. It does not execute the code, so it might miss subtle errors or suggest fixes that need a human touch. Combining ChatGPT's assistance with your own knowledge can lead to more accurate debugging. Practically speaking, you can use ChatGPT as an interactive debugging partner. You can paste your problematic code and ask for explanations of what might be wrong. You can also request alternative code snippets that address identified logic errors. Furthermore, ChatGPT can help you generate unit tests to check various scenarios and validate your fixes. It can also assist in understanding performance implications and optimizing your algorithms. In summary, ChatGPT is a handy tool for fixing logical coding errors. It works best when used alongside traditional debugging methods and your own judgment. With its real-time support, ChatGPT helps both learners and developers improve their code quality efficiently.